Bangladesh market, very tough market, and they are big competitor of the Chinese. In future is booming, future along coming together with us, and we are ready to do. We would like to thanks again the whole the Bangladesh market people. West Global Company Turkey. I am the one of the member of that company for the international sales manager. West Global Company has established 2022 under the our old group company. After 2023, West Global Company is becoming the independent company along with the partners. Last 10 years, our old group companies, we give to more than 700 machineries selling after sales and service all together. What is the our plan now? We would like to be increase the our brand and brand value along with these well-known people in the Bangladesh market. West Global Company, due to that reason, they know very well the inquiry of the Bangladesh market people and Bangladesh market companies. We know what they are facing for the cost of the utility, cost of the manufacturing, cost of the result and salaries and everything. Due to that reason, we updated that machineries, the latest technological inquiry from the Bangladesh peoples. We do it special semi-automatic filtering system. We make the special automatic lubrication system. We make it for the salt conductivity measurement system, which all of them, they're reducing the total consuming of the machineries. Bangladesh market, very tough market. Internationally, they are exporting all over the world and they are big competitor of the Chinese. Okay, Chinese is very strong for the price and everything. But Bangladesh market, day by day, they're becoming the more high efficiency fabric, more high efficiency garments, and they are competing against of the Chinese. And at that point, we are as like a long year partners of them. We are coming to here and help to them. We appreciate to hear. We are also starting with the Textile engineering company, who are the last 25 years selling the EHIWA standard machineries. Now we have the partnership with them, and they are becoming the our authorized people for the selling West Global fabric dyeing and finishing machineries. These machineries, let me give the small extra details. We are producing the jet dyeing, we are producing the air jet dyeing, we are producing the long tube dyeing machinery, we are producing the yarn dyeing machinery, we are producing the dryer machineries, and other finishing machineries we are producing in here. We would like to thanks again the whole the Bangladesh market people. In future is booming, future along coming together with us, and we are ready to do our best, all the partners and friends in here. And the Textile today, one of the good partner for the advertisement and marketing growing up in the Bangladesh market. Last 10 years we are working with them, and along with the good publishment for the Chittagong, Gazipur, Narayanganj, Dhaka, and whole head office the textile market. They are giving the really good service for us. Along with them, our company brand name is growing up more and more.